In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows with Weavy AI to create multiple angles of one image. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple, repeatable workflow that takes a single image and generates consistent views like left, right, back, and top, all inside Weavy AI. First, open Weavy AI in your browser and sign in. You'll land on your workspace. If you're starting from scratch, create a new file so you have a clean canvas. If you've already been experimenting, you can open an existing file and continue there. Give your file a clear name so you can easily find it later as you generate more variations. Next, bring in your source image. You can create one using the built-in AI image generator, or you can upload an image you already have. If you're uploading, choose a clear, well-lit image with the subject centered. Cleaner inputs usually produce more reliable alternate angles. If you're generating with AI, aim for a prompt that defines the subject and style you intend to keep across all angles. Now add a prompt box to the canvas. This is where you'll describe the angle you want. Keep your language concise and directional, like show the left side of the image. It helps to repeat key subject details so the model knows what must stay consistent. For example, the object type, color, and style. You can come back and swap this text to request other views such as back view, right view, or top view without rebuilding the workflow. In the tool search bar, type Nano Banana. This is the model we'll use to transform your base image according to your prompt. If you don't see it immediately, double-check your spelling and make sure you're searching in the correct panel. Drag the Nano Banana model onto your workflow canvas. Think of each block as a node in a pipeline. Your image and your prompt will feed into this model, and the model will produce a new angle-specific output. Connect the image node to the model's image input, and connect the prompt box to the model's text or prompt input. Make sure the lines snap to the correct ports. Mismatched connections are a common cause of errors or empty outputs. Click Run Model to start the workflow. You'll see the process kick off, and shortly after, the generated angle appear. To create multiple angles, simply update the text in your prompt box like back view, or right view, or top view, and run the model again. Repeating this method lets you quickly build a consistent set of perspectives from a single source image, ready for design comps, product pages, or presentations.